Welcome to your new channel. In this channel, you will learn the basics of computers and programming fundamentals and much more. A computer is a device or machine that receives commands or instructions as inputs. This machine is processing the data via the central processing unit. The data resulting from the processing is called the output. These outputs may be hard copy or soft copy. The central processing unit, CPU, is the unit that performs a large portion of the preparation inside a PC to control directions and information streamed to and from different pieces of the PC. The CPU depends intensely on a chipset, which is a gathering of microchips situated on the motherboard. Later on, we will talk about the CPU in detail in a separate video. A desktop computer is a personal computer that fits on or under a work area. It has a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and tower. You can use desktop computer and stay in one location. The laptop is often called the notebook. It is smaller than a desktop computer. Laptops have an appended keyboard and a touchpad and trackball. A laptop has a flimsy screen that is joined and can be folded flat. For transport, you can use laptop everywhere you want. We will talk about the main computer components. The first type of these components is the tangible physical components. Examples of these components include the mouse, keyboard, screen, and CPU. The second type of major computer components is intangible software components. Examples of these components are the programs and the applications that we use consistently, such as the Paint and the operating systems like Windows 10. We hope you have benefited from the information. Wait for us with a new video. Do not forget to like and share it with your friends. Please turn on the bell button and subscribe to our channel.